Hi everyone, good morning, and today we're going to harvest garlic. Yeah, you heard me, garlic, and this is my first time I've planted garlic. So I'm going to show you what I did. Okay, this is what I've got from the garden shop, and they were selling them, and that was back last year. I planted them in the fall. It was like September, October. So what I did, I just opened them. You could see, start to germinate. Yeah, open each and every one of them like that. Dig a hole, put them in the soil, make sure the soil is lovely, compost and rich, and that was it. And then I cover them with, you could see, with mulch. Yeah, and that's it. And it lasted from the snow, the rain, and now we are in August. And you could see it looked really lifeless. It doesn't look good, but I'm so curious to see what's underneath. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Are you ready? I don't know what's underneath. There could be nothing, but I'm so curious to see. Let's go. Okay, let's do this one. Ready? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Well, that's a good, lovely surprise. I wasn't expecting this. It's big enough. It's like in the shop, right? I think it is, don't you think? Let's try some more. Let's try some more here. Oh, let's try. Oh, this one it's a big, oh. It's a big one. Or maybe it's a small one. Do I need a digger to dig this? I might need a digger. Okay, I watch this space now. I'm going to get a little gadget. I got my digger. Ready? Okay, let's go. Ooh! Ooh la la! Ooh! Yay! Look at this. Yay! I like it. Do you like it? I like it. Okay, let's get digging. Let's get digging. We need a digger. Oh, there it is. Look at this beauty here. Oh, isn't it exciting to harvest? Oh, big roots. Look at that. Such big roots. Beautiful, beautiful. And then you see what's underneath, like a treasure hunt. You know, it reminds me. Do you know what it reminds me, Alex? Reminds me, you know, when you pray, and you pray, and you pray, and you pray. Like when you pray, and you pray, and you pray, and you're like, Lord, where are you? Where are you? And it's like this, you know, you waited such a long time to harvest. It's been months underneath the ground. And you think, Lord, you haven't heard my prayer. But I tell you what, God does hear your prayer. And the Bible says, pray without stopping, without ceasing. Pray all the time, because He hears. God knows the right time. And I tell you what, God is never early. He's never late. He's always on time. So if you have big dreams and you think, you know, it hasn't happened yet, don't get discouraged. Wait, keep praying, keep pressing, keep believing, keep having faith. God will come through. And that reminds me, you know, I will not stop praying. I will keep on praying, whatever it is, because it's like harvest, you know. It's like I waited all this time, and here we go. It's exciting, exciting time.
All I want is you in front of me. I could have another, but you're always gonna be mine.